Welcome to Masters and Doctoral Degree Tips and Tricks, our YouTube channel. We promote academic excellence through the use of technology in academic writing. If you are fond to use technology, this is the YouTube channel to join. We will make sure that you write your own research proposal, thesis, and you analyze your own data. This group does not promote or does not encourage any academic dishonesty. It just gives you tips and tricks towards your master's and doctoral degree research. We encourage and promote peer review and constructive criticism. We will help with the topic selection, formulating research statement, or research problem statement, methodologies, paradigms, etc., etc. And we also give you tips on how to use the technology in a way that is acceptable. Please follow these steps to subscribe to the Masters and Doctoral Degrees Tips and Tricks YouTube channel. Once you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification feature. Thank you.